Yeah! Hello! Hola, Carlos!
Ghana is a Bamsa. Oh, my friend who sick a mind, penny for it on one in him. So, my dear friend who sick a mind, then now, baby, you hear mine. Debbie, I am not your body. Mamma Bonnie, now,
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Ghana for bread. Ghana for we're just so sick and tired of Obiadi Sabosi coming. We look here, there, left, right, and center, and it was so obvious, and it was done with impunity. In the meantime, let me catch them from the longest time. Say, don't worry. Wherever you find people who are interested in building the nation, trust me, there are going to be those who are counter, who want to destroy the nation. And I say that all the time, that we have nation builders and we have nation wreckers, and they will always coexist. But I'm telling you today that as much as nation wreckers exist, and boy are they strong. I'm strong. The wreckers, my goodness. As much as they are strong, I keep assuring Ghanaians that at the end of the day, when we keep our focus, and we are steady, we shall overcome. And when we say Ghana will rise again, yes, Ghana will rise again. And when we say that, doesn't mean that there will be no problems. What will be that? Say, Kobia are rising and there are no problems. Whatever it is, no matter what it is, there are going to be the problems, there are going to be the obstacles, there are going to be everything. But when you look at the totality of everything, we can be proud and say, in spite of all the problems, Ghana has risen again. In spite of all the problems, Ghana has risen again.
Hello! Hola, Carlos!
Ghana is a Bamsa. Oh, my friend who sick a mind, penny for it on one in him. So, my dear friend who sick a mind, then now, baby, you hear mine. Debbie, I am not your body. Mamma Bonnie, now,
Mommy, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
My dear.
Now, wow.
Yourself a season.